Sanity, and now we're in session 1. So go to your course guide, hit session 1, and here we are. Before we jump into the values work, we're going to set our intention, and intention is super important. It's whether you're building a house, cooking a meal, planning a party. Intention is what turns inspiration into strategy. It's the same with our values. And because this course is actually using ChatGPT, your intention becomes a tangible input that's going to train the AI to be your best thinking partner. So we're going to open the AI. We already did that. We're going to click session 1 intention here. And it's going to go pretty fast. I'm going to tell you that once this AI starts going, the guide instructions, you might not even need them that much because the AI will guide you through, but I think it's still nice to have the Google Doc to guide you through and ground you so you don't get lost on where you are. Or if you want to review the questions outside of the AI, you have the guide, you have the Google Doc for you as well. So click this, session 1 intention. Let's start with session 1, setting your intention. This is a brief reflection with 3 questions to help you ground you into your purpose for this journey. And then there's 3 prompts it's gonna walk you through. And so I'm gonna go through this so you know how it goes, but I'm gonna do it really quick with answers that I have prepared already. But what you should do at the end of this video is go through it on your own. But I'm doing it here to show you what's gonna happen. So the first question, why does getting clear on your values matter to you right now? So I have this answer here because I'm overwhelmed. I default to fixing, pleasing, freezing, and you don't have to write full sentences. You can even click this dictate button here and start talking out loud. I can't do it right now because I'm doing a screen recording, but a lot of times when I use ChatGPT, I'm using that microphone. If you download the ChatGPT app on your phone, you can if you download it on your phone, you can absolutely talk to it pretty much all day, wherever you are. I talk to it in the car a lot. So I'm gonna hit this and it reflects you, it gives you some compliments, validates you, and asks you, okay, thanks for sharing. It sounds like you're craving a deeper sense of clarity and alignment rather than acting out of stress or external pressure. Yes. Ready to move to 2 of 3. So question 2 of 3. I am gonna say yes. And then I have my question answer ready. What's one thing you hope feels different? So I want to feel more rooted and less concerned, less spinning about what other people think or what I should do to please other people. And then it's going to give me an answer on that. Yes, it's a powerful shift I'm looking for and a return to foundation without overthinking too much. And then it asks me, do I want to go to question 3? Yes, I do. And question 3, what's been getting in your way? Interesting. I'm gonna put in the answer I prepared. I don't type that fast. And so it's about time, mental load, and just really as a mom, there's very little time. So it sounds like there's constant demands of life and all the stuff making it hard, the idea of waiting for the perfect moment. Exactly. That's exactly right. Would you like to revise anything before we move on? No, this sounds good. Thank you for your time. Okay, great. So this is a summary of my intention. And I would just read through the summary, make sure it aligns with you. And if it doesn't, you can tell it, no, can you make it shorter? Can you make it longer? This part doesn't make sense. And you could actually even highlight and ask specifically about a certain section. And you could refine this intention setting until it really resonates and aligns with you. For the course purposes right now, I'm going to say it does align. And here's a really important part. Please copy and paste this summary into your course notes template. So that's when you're going to go back to the guide, and I'm going to show you, just went through step 3, and step 4 is about the course notes. So you're going to click this link, and it's going to open the resources section. And here you're going to have your notes template. Here I want you to make a copy of this for yourself. Close the original so it doesn't get confusing. And this is where you're going to copy all the summaries you're getting from each session for your own notes. So you can reference it all together because the chat history gets long. And also then you can give the ever after AI context about your values and things when you're making decisions so it knows what you value. So I'm going to take this session, so delete the copy paste section right here. Okay, now we have our intention. And now we're going to go back and if you follow this up, it says copy and paste a summary from intention setting into your notes template, and we just did that. And I also explained why that's super important. So once you have that done, you're ready to move to session 2. So let me know you're ready. I'm ready. Now we're done with session 1. Now think through your intention, read through it, and really just let it sink into your body. Something I like to do is post-its. So put a couple bullets of it on a post-it if you want, and let it sit with you and think about why you're doing this, what kind of blockers might come up, what kind of shifts you're looking for, and just let it process. And then I will see you in session 2.